So this is an HDMI cable with a normal plug in perfect condition, but if you saw the title of this video, you know that is coming something bad. Because this is an HDMI cable that was connected to a television, but the client said it stopped working connected to the television, and he doesn't know why. So when checking the problem, can you understand why the image on the television stopped working? Can you see why? Why did it stop working? Ha! I have an idea. Is that the HDMI connector on the plug is almost 90 degrees, when it should come out straight from the plug. So the HDMI connector was almost completely ripped from the wires that go through the cable. Because, like that, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. I don't know how he managed to do this, but either he pulled the cable on the TV, or he pushed the TV with the cable connected, and twisted the plug 90 degrees. And it's not easy to do. There are HDMI cables that allow you to rotate the connector, but this is not the case. This is a Lindy HDMI cable. The tip is not metallic, but it's a very rigid plastic. And it took a lot of force to do this. Subscribe to the channel to discover more of these gems people do to technology.